Hello everyone and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. Wow, it's been a bit of an odd week, hasn't it? We've had some children working in school and some children working at home. Some children really are doing our school absolutely proud, and the teachers and I are so pleased by the hard work that our children have continued to do in this odd week. Now, we do have some amazing awards to give out, don't we? Yes, we do. So, Betty, you go sit over there. I'll give out the awards. Here we go. Now, the Going for Gold Awards. In Leeds class, we have Daria for great use of English to name animals, and Ellie for growing her own veg and bringing them in to share. In York class, we have Anaya for being a kind friend, and Archie for trying his best writing sentences in Read Write Ink. In Hall class, we have all of the children who have worked so hard this week on their own transport books. Also in PE this week, everyone really got the idea of waiting for the relay race. In Nottingham class, we have everyone in Nottingham class for their hard work and dedication during remote learning this week. In Liverpool class, we have Lexi and Jake H for fantastic model of a rocket. In Cardiff class, we have Gracie for working really hard to support other children in their learning and being a good friend. We also have Ruby for always trying incredibly hard both in school and at home. She always tries her best. In Edinburgh 1, we have all of Edinburgh 1 for attending Teams meetings, completing the work, and adapting brilliantly to home learning again. Mrs. Keenan is very proud of everyone who has been logging in and doing their work. In Edinburgh 2, we have Addison for his excellent Sea Creatures report. He used the book creator on the laptop and made an amazing book. We also have Jacob A for working independently in English. He really tried his best. In Cambridge class, we have Julia and Marta for helping the other children and answering their questions for Miss Housecroft when she wasn't able to respond quickly enough. Well done, girls. In Oxford class, we have Riley and Billy for excellent online learning for a second week. They have both blown Miss Mitchell out of the water. Well done, boys. In Chester class, we have Ramaya for excellent attitude to learning and completing all of his tasks. Well done, children. I am so proud of all of you for continuing to work hard, even as it was an odd week, but also as we come to the end of the school year. Now, we have the Year of Being Brave Awards. In your class, we have Alfie for carrying on after falling and hurting his leg on the trim trail. In Hall class, we have Zuzi for coming to the front of the class and using fantastic English to help tell our friends about some school news. We also have Isaac ready. He's been ready and listening. He's been working hard and having fun with his friends. In Nottingham, we have Roscoe, Ashton, Grace, Susanna, Julia, Hubert, Andy, Bella M, Katie, Harrison, Jacob RB, Jacob GC, and Jacob NJ for bravery and confidence during the team sessions. In Liverpool class, we have Jack and Maria for discipline bravery for an amazing work they have been doing in home learning. In Cardiff class, we have Eric for intellectual bravery for his lovely writing about sea creatures. And Sienna for intellectual bravery. She has been working incredibly hard in morning maths and maths lessons. In Edinburgh 1, we have Dylan for joining teams successfully, and Gia for persevering with teams and joining for the first time, as she wasn't with us during our last remote learning. She has been polite and sensible. In Edinburgh 2, we have Oscar for moral bravery, for staying calm and was very brave when it was raining heavily outside. We also have all of the class for Sports Day. All the children listened well and tried their best at the different events. In Cambridge class, we have all the class for completing their online work and attending the registration meetings. In Oxford class, we have Dasha for singing and dancing and acting during virtual rehearsals, and Horley for being cheerful and confident member of the team's meetings. In Chester class, we have Lucas for having the confidence to take part in a dance battle on Wednesday when Hello Hip Hop came on. Well done to all of these children. Well done. Really proud of all of you. Now, Betty, come here, Betty. Okay. Right, here we go, Betty, yes. Now, Betty and I have been talking, haven't we? Yes. And we believe that the Head Teachers Award this week needs to go to all of our school community. It does. It has been a very challenging week for all of us. We've had some children in school, some of the week, but not all the week, and some of them all week long, and they have worked so very hard and been so good, haven't they? Haven't they? They have. And then we have those children that had to work from home at some point this week, and they've gone on with their work, getting on teams, listening to their teachers, doing their work, and we're very proud of them too, aren't we? Yes. We're also very proud of all of the staff because they've had to adapt and adjust really quickly, sometimes with just a few minutes notice, and they've done really well, haven't they? Yes, they have. And to you, parents and carers, thank you. We know that it has been a challenging few weeks for all of you, and not knowing what's happening one minute to the other because of any isolation that has to happen has been something that we appreciate the difficulty that it has caused for all of you. We thank you for helping us to keep our school community safe and our children safe and our staff safe. We hope that this all will come to an end soon, but until then, we want to say we're proud of all of you, aren't we? Yes, we do. And you all deserve a big, huge Medal of Honor for all of it. Now, one announcement, Betty. We've got an announcement. Yes, we do. Now, everybody knows there's a special game on Sunday. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And we're all excited about it, aren't we, Betty? We are. Yes, Betty is very excited. So, we want to make Monday as special as possible. School is going to be open as normal times for everyone coming in. That's not going to change because we do know that there are parents still trying to work those children who are coming to school. But it will be a completely non-uniform day. It's going to be red and white day. And we encourage you to wear red or white, or maybe you have an England football kit. Go ahead and wear it on Monday. We're going to celebrate and be proud of the English team, whether they win or lose. They have done a fantastic job, and it's going to be our own little way of rewarding them. So Monday, red and white day, show your pride. We can't wait to see it. Even if you are working from home, make sure wear that red and white, take some pictures, share it on Tapestry, and let us see how proud we are. All right, everyone. We hope that you do have a nice weekend. Bye. Bye.